If you're using a Sound Devices with a power bank and you have wondered why the heck is this yellow and why can't I arm more than 2 tracks with phantom power, and maybe I have a solution for you. I ran into the same issue just a couple days ago and I actually use a Go Zero. This one is 10,000 milliampere, what is alright, but it's not that strong. And then I said, you know what, I'm going to buy the Anchor with 20,000 milliampere and it's great. But then I had this and I'm like, why is this orange? So I thought and I said, maybe it is the cable. And that's what I want to show you. We have 2 identical looking cables, but I think that one of these cables maybe just transport more voltage from the power bank into the Sound Devices MixPre 6. And that's what we're doing now. I'm gonna just change the cable really quick. You see with this cable it was orange. Let's turn it on. I actually tried 5 different cables. All right, you see now it's green, and what we're doing is we go to phantom power and here we go, it works. We can arm all 4 channels. So if you don't have the right cable and you thought, I just go out and go, make sure that you have it. Now I'm on the Camino and I was a little worried because what is if this cable at one point stops working, right? Because the power bank that I actually showcased in the video is not one that can actually charge USB-C to USB-C. So it's very important that I actually figured that out. So I bought this one. This is also another Anchor. It's a 26,000 milliampere, and this one is great. I charge everything with it. I charge the MacBook with it, my phone right now, and also the Sound Device. From all the parts, and I'm over a week here already, I only had to charge it back up twice. So that's amazing, but it's not cheap. It comes with the price. But if you have a Sound Device and you are looking for the right power bank, make sure that you have a power bank that is USB-C to USB-C. Then you don't run in any other issues. So with that said, I wanted to add this here from the Camino. Somewhere I just did my laundry here. So I'm going to make more videos about the Camino and also my thoughts. I'm going to make a video about the real packing list, because I have to add, if you watch the video about my Camino packing list, I have to say that you can say there are 2 Marcels, right? The Marcel before the Camino and now the Marcel on the Camino, and what I'm actually carrying with me. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Make sure that you get the right cable, and if you think I don't even want to get this power bank, get a power bank that can charge USB-C to USB-C, and then you don't run any issues if you use a Sound Devices. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video or on the Camino, because I do daily Insta stories about the journey to Santiago de Compostela.